So, what is it like to actually sit down with a life insurance agent or broker? Well, hello, darlings. Let's talk about it. Let me say this to you. I know that it may seem like a daunting task or situation, but it can be so beneficial and wonderful. In today's world, we don't even have to go into your personal space. We don't have to go into your home. We can speak with you and give you the same care, love, and attention as we can do in person, over the phone, or over a Zoom. This is what today's world allows. And if you say, well, how in the world will I sign anything? Do you know that we now have e-apps, meaning that the apps are online, and sometimes it's as simple as sending a code to your email address, you speaking that code to us putting that code in, and that counts as your digital signature. So don't worry if you don't really want anyone in your home. But let's talk about the next element. There has to be full transparency on both sides. As a broker, it is on me to be fully transparent about what it is that I am going to need from you as far as information, what it is that I'm going to do with that information, and what it is that I can actually do for you. No secrets, no secrets. And let me say something. If you find an agent or broker that you just don't trust, and I mean, that happens, then don't necessarily use them. And that includes me. If you don't find me to be someone that actually jives with you, then I would suggest you not use me either. That's just sound advice. But I need information from you. I need you to be fully transparent about what it is that you hope to accomplish with a life insurance policy. I need to know whether or not you have a present or current life insurance policy. I need to know what you have as far as income. I need to know what you have as far as any kind of retirement tool. Do you even have a 401k or anything that could act as some type of additional funds coming in? I also need to know from you what your health status is. Please don't hide anything. I need to know what your legal background is at times, because there are carriers that will ask that information. Do you smoke? Do you do marijuana, even recreationally? I'm not here to judge you, but I am here to ask you certain questions. Now, I'm not going to ask you questions that I don't need to ask you. I'm not trying to get into your business just to have information. But in order to make the best decision for you, because remember now, as a broker, my job is not to support an agency. I'm not with an agency. My job is to use the bank of carriers that I'm contracted with and find a best fit for you. And some can tell you, if I find that even they are not a best fit for you, then I'll suggest another carrier. I don't get anything from it except the knowledge that you've been serviced. But I need to know everything about you that would impact a policy decision. I need to know who you have in your life that you would want to handle things in the event of your passing, or that you would want to have access to the death benefit in the event of your passing. I need to know what you would want if you needed access to funding from your policy before you die, right? Because there are living benefits, and those can only be accessed while you are alive. Now listen, I don't want you to worry about the information that you give me, because confidentiality is key. Even if we are very good friends, I love you, but business is business, and business I will do. Therefore, I can't give you discounts. I can't do anything just because you are my friend. I can only do what I'm allowed to do. But your information is safe with me, because I'm not going to violate you, and I'm not going to violate my licenses by sharing information that I should not share. That's what it's like.